Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Entrepreneur Middle East. We're here reporting live from Riyadh from Seamless, and with me up next is a very special guest. We have Nauman Hassan. He's the regional director at MENA at Paymentology, and we're currently at their booth here now. Thank you so much for welcoming us.
Thank you for having me.
How's everything so far? How's Seamless treating you?
It's good. It's hectic. Obviously, uh, it's been crazy 3 days, and looking forward to a lot of conversations
Right.
at the back of this event.
Of course, of course. So tell me a couple of things you know about Paymentology. Obviously, this
Yeah.
is our first interview. We're new to you guys, so if you could tell us a little bit about the company and what you do.
Absolutely. So, Paymentology is a global card issuing platform. We operate globally, but obviously we execute locally. We operate in 60 plus countries, over 14 plus time zones. And yeah, if anyone is looking for a global processors, I think Paymentology is their solution.
Great, great. And you operate here in Riyadh as well.
Absolutely.
Yes,
So,
Saudi.
so Saudi is one of our strategic markets. I mean, we have laid the foundation or the runway in Saudi since 2020, and we are proudly operating a mix of market segments, which includes digital banks, which includes traditional banks and high-skill fintechs, those who want to offer solutions to the SMEs, to the corporates, and to the fintechs.
And tell me, what sort of clients are you looking for?
Uh, Nowadays, I mean, it's an interesting question because nowadays, literally, everyone wants cards. It's an instrument of payment.
That's what I'm asking.
It's an instrument of payment. So, like I said, ideal customer, neobank, those who want to digitize, those who want to provide that experience to the customers, and plus traditional banks who are looking to do the transformation, digital transformation. It's all about customer obsession. It's about providing that experience, treating the customer not as products. So Paymentology comes into the equation with technology. Since we are working with multiple banks, multiple fintechs across the globe, we can bring that technology. It's a global village. Those who want to expand to Saudi, those who want to provide that innovative APIs, data-rich solutions, I think Paymentology is a perfect brand to collaborate. More importantly, anyone looking to provide card as an instrument of payment, embedded finance, banking as a service, traditional banks, neobanks, just name it, Paymentology can provide you services that you will cherish.
Great. Tell us, what do you think is the future of money?
It's going to be digital economy, and plus there are lots of products, crypto backed. So you can see if you look at the Vision 2030 financial sector development program, fintech is a pillar. So 70% of the transactions are going to be cashless by 2025. I won't be surprised if we have crossed that number. The number of fintechs that are coming up, I mean, it's a part of the plan for Vision 2020. They want to hit a number of 230. I'm sure it's more than 230. End result, totally digitized economy. Why? 65% of the population here under the age of 30.
Yeah.
Mobile penetration high. You're providing them solutions through which they can use the mobile as a one-stop shop. No one carries their wallet anymore. So it's going to be thoroughly digitized, one-stop shop, multiple products in the mobile app, and people are just going to use those at any point of sale, at any acceptance, and it's going to be a global village,
And
basically.
I suppose that your cards can then be used and placed on the phone, right, and tap a wallet.
Absolutely. So that's good because we are providing tokenization solutions as well, which is one of the key elements, one of the key products. Mada Pay, Samsung Pay, Apple Pay, Google Pay. So you can
Great.
literally provision any card, and yeah, I mean you can use the phone to transact at any merchant.
Amazing, amazing. Last question for you before
Yeah.
we finish the interview. What sort of leadership advice would you have for all those young generations out there? You did mention that, you know, Saudis mostly young people. So what sort of advice would you give them
You-
for the future?
Yeah, I mean, look, again, you have to set the bar high. You have to remain hungry. You have to remain innovative, and you just have to excel at whatever you're trying to do. And keep your eyes open and accept or embrace technology and try your level best, give your 100%, and build something that is very customer centric.
Perfect. Mr. Hassan, absolute pleasure speaking to you today. Thank you so much for this interview.
Thank you very much.
And we wish you the best of luck.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you.